My name is Hussein Abdinasir. I'm from Kenya. I came to Yashoda Hospital to seek for treatment concerning gastrology. When I came, I was amazed by the staff at Yashoda Hospital. They welcomed me well. I was taken through a lot of tests, whereby I was directed to Dr. Gopi Srikanth, who is the gastrologist. Is the best doctor, a doctor who hears you. I learned that a doctor is a calling when I met Dr. Srikanth. He's a doctor who knows what he's treating. I was having a lot of reflux for many years. I went to many hospitals in Kenya. The only thing they have given me is antacid, which has never helped me. And when I met Dr. Srikanth, he asked for further investigation and he treated me with endoscopy. And now he has given me a very good medicine, done a very good procedure through endoscopy to me. And now I feel my life has completely improved. My life has changed. Yashoda has a very good doctors who are experienced, who knows what they are doing, who treats you the way you want. And I recommend anybody from Kenya and any other country who are coming to India concerning anything to do with gastrology to come and see Dr. Gopi Srikanth. I'm telling you, you will never regret. A very humble doctor, very nice, cool. He knows what he's doing. His job is wonderful. And now I'm a living testimony that anything can be cured when you get the right person. I feel like I'm cured. My life, the quality of my life has really improved. And I thank the Yashoda team, from the top management to the nurses. They are wonderful, awesome. They welcomed us well, treated us well with a lot of patience, understanding, and all the rest. So I recommend anybody for anything to do with gastrology to come and see Dr. Gopi Srikanth. Thank you.